Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful Vauxhall Astra 1.0 turbo SRI. Now this vehicle is currently on 37,685 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour dark moon blue, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Start at the front. You do have very stylish LED daytime running lights that really complement the vehicle throughout the day. You also have fog lamps below, which are great for when the visibility is poor. Moving around here to the side, you do have your 17-inch alloy wheels. You have your indicator there on the side along with your SRI branding. Now let's take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle here. Here inside you will find your very nice pleasant cloth seats with a nice pattern in the centre. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Now let's head to the rear of the vehicle. You have your Astra Ecotech badging on the tailgate here. Open up the boot, you'll find the button underneath the Vauxhall badge. You can open up the boot to reveal a very nice amount of space here. You can fit a couple of suitcases in there or a weekly shop. It's very nicely in there. It goes nice and deep in the vehicle as well. You do have some tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to. And up top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving round, and now let's take a look inside here to the front of the vehicle. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there, and you do have a very nice gloss black finish across the dashboard. You do have your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There is also an armrest in the centre console, so you can travel comfortably and store things away in there as well. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Vauxhall Astra has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments. This allows you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. It's also super handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You do have full electric windows there with your button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. The vehicle is equipped with automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have some controls there on the steering wheel for your infotainment system. And here to the left, you will find your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. You also have your collision alert here, which does have active braking as well, and you can set up the distance that will alert you of vehicles stopping ahead. Here on the indicator stalk, you will find your controls for your very nice digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can scroll through to display your miles to the gallon, along with how many miles you have left in your fuel tank as well. You can also access additional menus, including your oil life. You also have other menus here as well, including your eco data, so you can be sure you're driving very fuel efficient. Here in the centre, you do have your touchscreen infotainment system called the IntelliLink. You can access your radio through this with DAB, FM and AM radio, and with your DAB you have a nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of stations there available that you can scroll through to tune in and then go ahead to save them as presets. You can connect your device with USB and Bluetooth, and of course with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. You also have your phone projection here with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which brings your phone's interface onto the touchscreen system, and it allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. And you can also use compatible apps as well, such as navigation, as well as your music streaming services, so you can access all of your favourite playlists directly on the system. You can see here your collision system here you can make adjustments to. You also have all of your vehicle settings here you can make changes to, such as your lighting and other comfort features. Moving down below here, you have your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use with each button and switch clearly labelled. You can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool very easily, and you also have buttons there for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. You have your AC on and off button there. You can change the temperature to the left and your fan speed at the right. Your direction of airflow are buttons in the centre, and to turn off you simply turn the fan switch all the way to the off. Here as well you will find your active lane keeping, which will alert you when you're starting to drift out of your lane, so you can correct this and not collide with other road users. have your start stop on and off here, as well as your traction control. You also have a sport mode. This is if you want a more sporty drive, and you can see there it's displayed on your display in between the dials saying sport mode on or off. Thanks for watching this video on the Vauxhall Astra 1 litre turbo SRI. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.